Hello YouTube, this is Joe and you're watching my channel Ink&Iron, and on today's video we'll take the inner cap out of this Kaweco Sport Fountain Pen. First things first, why don't you go ahead and take off the clip if you have one on there, and I'm going to show you a little bit of a close-up of this inner cap. You can see an ink buildup right about here. You can see the line right at the edge where the cap sits inside of the external cap, and that's the thing we're going to be removing. You'll need a few simple tools, and I tried to keep this as simple as possible so that you can hopefully get up from this video and go do it yourself if you need to. First thing you need is a number 2 pencil or something of similar size. This is just a regular number 2 pencil, and I've wrapped a little bit of electrical tape on there. This is just regular electrical tape from Harbor Freight actually, and I cut it with my Wee Knives Practic folding knife. I also do that on this channel. Shameless plug. Anyway, you'll go ahead and take that pencil with the tape wrapped around it and shove it into the internal cap. You'll feel some resistance, and that's what you want. You want the tape to stick on there firm enough that the cap wouldn't fall out from shaking it. And then you need to yank it really, really fast. So snug it up and yank it out, and there you go. Pops right out. It is just friction fit in there, so I'll show you how to get it back in later, but now it is available for cleaning, as well as the colored external cap is now available for cleaning. So yeah, I hope this is helpful, especially for those of you who use iron gall inks. I know they can build up in there. This is like a couple of years of buildup on this particular pen for me. And the way I'm going to clean it is I just have some Q-tips dipped in, what did I use here? Ammonia. Ammonia is what I like to use because it moves ink and particulate out particularly well for fountain pens. Here's the inner cap. I'm using just the same thing. A little bit of ammonia on the tip of a Q-tip. You could use water. It will just take you a lot more elbow grease to get everything out of there. It won't be too bad with ammonia. As I said, it makes it much easier. This is a little reusable straw cleaning tool, like any of you who have like titanium straws or whatever to help save the environment. Take this little cleaning tool and use it to clean up your threading inside your cap. It really did a number on these and was much more effective than a Q-tip, so I highly recommend it. Okay, now for the matter of getting the cap back in now that it's clean. So go ahead and put that nipple side inward, let it fall in there, and then take sort of the eraser portion and shove it back in. If it gets stuck on the pencil, it will pull it back out slightly, as you can see here. Go ahead and try to aim the eraser against the side of the cap and just shove it back into place. You'll know it's good when it stops moving. And there you have it. Now I'm going to reassemble this pen, and yeah, it's off to the races. I'm gearing up to review this. So I'm going to go take some measurements, take some weights, and take some notes. Thank you very much for joining me today. I've been Joe, and you've been watching my channel Ink&Iron. For more fountain pen related content, as well as knives and typewriters, you can like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.